Hello kids, welcome to my another video. Today we will learn A for apple, B for ball. Blue color. A for apple. Purple color. B for boy. Green color. C for cat. D for dolphin. Blue color. E for elephant. Purple color. F for fish. Green color. G for goat. Blue color. H for hen. Purple color. I for ice cream. Green color. J for jug. Orange color. K for kite. Blue color. L for lion. Purple color. M for mango. Green color. N for nest. Blue color. O for orange. Purple color. P for pen. Green color. Q for quail. Orange color. R for rat. Blue color. S for sheep. Purple color. T for tree. Green color. U for uncle. Purple color. P for pen. Green color. W for wheel. Orange color. X for X-ray. Y for yolk. Purple color. Z for zebra. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for pen. Q for coil. R for rat. S for sheep. T for tree. U for uncle. V for van. W for wheel. X for X-ray. Y for yolk. Z for zebra. Hello kids, like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my video.